Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. In this video, we are going to teach you daily use English sentences and phrases with Urdu translation. Try to repeat after me. Are you ready? So let's begin. Repeat after me. You should not forget your promise. Promise mean वादा. तुम्हें अपना वादा नहीं बोलना चाहिए. Since when you have been sitting here. तुम कब से यहाँ बैठे हो? Since when you have been sitting here. Walk slowly lest you should slip. Slip mean फिसलना. Slowly mean आहिस्ता. आहिस्ता चलो काहे फिसल न जाओ. Walk slowly lest you should slip. If it rains, I shall not come. Rain mean बारिश. अगर बारिश हुई तो मैं नहीं आऊंगा. I was just going to leave when he came. जब वो आया मैं जाने ही वाला था. I think it was going to rain. मेरा ख्याल है बारिश होने वाली है. She has been ill for 3 days. Ill mean बीमार. वो 3 रोज से बीमार रही है. Walk fast, lest you should be late. तेज चलो कहीं देर न हो जाए. Late mean there. It is easy for me to pursue. It is easy for me to pursue. उसको मनाना मेरे बाएं हाथ का खेल है. Don't get upset. I was only joking. Joke mean मजाक. परेशान मत हो, मैं मजाक कर रहा था. His exclusion from the class is not good for him. Exclusion mean निकालना. इसको क्लास से निकालना उसके लिए अच्छा नहीं था. You had better go home now. You had better go home now. बेहतर है अब तुम घर चले जाओ. Better mean बेहतर. The nutty student was excluded from the class. Nutty mean शरारती. शरारती बच्चे को क्लास से निकाला गया. I tried to convince him to come. Convince mean तरगीब देना. मैंने उसे आने की तरगीब दी. I tried to convince him to come. Don't dare to do that again. Dare mean जुर्रत. Don't dare to do that again. आइंदा ऐसा करने की जुर्रत मत करना. Don't dare to do that again. His name is Ahmad, but everyone calls him Khan. ओ अहमद है मगर हर एक उसको खान बुलाता है. My teacher included me in the cricket team. Include mean शामिल करना. उस्ताद ने मुझे क्रिकेट टीम में शामिल किया. His inclusion in the team is in doubt. Inclusion mean शमूलियत. Doubt mean शक. टीम में उसकी शमूलियत मशकूक है. His inclusion in the team is in doubt. Don't interfere in what doesn't concern you. उन बातों में मत उलझो जिसका ताल्लुक आपसे नहीं. Every cloud has a silver lining. Cloud mean बादल. दूर के डोल सुहाने. Will you arrange about the cake? Arrange mean बंदोबस्त करना. क्या तुम केक का बंदोबस्त कर लोगे? Make up your deficiency. Deficiency mean कमी. अपनी कमी पूरी करो. Make up your deficiency. That's it for today, alright? Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell icon for new lessons.